Now we'll process Q lever.
Which protocol to select?
Q lever under the
gastrointestinal.
gastrointestinal. You have to select the CT and the atrium 90 lever SPECT. Click and left start. If you see any movement, you can do the motion correction, or you can select the original. So software will also automatically generate all the segments of the lever, and it will provide the quantitative values.
It is automatically drawing all the ROIs and all.
Right. So you can see all the lever values, tumor and functional remnant lever. Left lung and right lung values are calculated. So FRL, that means the functional remnant lever it's calculated as 99.8%, and the volume is calculated, the maximum counts, peak counts, mean counts, and the total counts. Sometimes, and this lung shunt value is calculated 1.8%, and here is the option to enter if you have calculated based on the planar images. For example, planar image, suppose you got 2.5, so that also you can enter here. So it will be you will have both the values, like SPECT CT based and planar image based.
So how did you got the 2.5 value?
2.5 value is the planar image based. So if you take a planar image, draw the ROI and calculate the shunt manually.
Okay.
So that also you can enter and compare, like how much is the calculated using SPECT CT and how much is using the planar images. So this is everything. You will get the values.
All about.
Yes, Q lever or atrium 90 SIRT post therapy scans. Atrium 90, yes, for quantification. Yes, you can process even the technetium 99M pre-planning before giving the therapies. So if you are giving macroaggregated albumin labeled with technetium 99 and you want to calculate the lung shunt, then just take the SPECT CT, transfer the data here and open in the Q dot lever. You will get the shunt values. No need of these planar images, because in planar images you may overestimate sometimes because of the overlapping of the organs. Here it is fully automatic and 3D VOI, and with all the corrections, attenuation correction and all. So the quantitative values will be more accurate. In addition to that, you are getting the volume of the liver and the FRL. Even if you are sending this patient for the liver surgery, in case the patient is, instead of SIRT, patient is planned for the therapy, so you are getting the FRL values, so no need to calculate it based on CT. You can calculate here only. That's it. Yeah.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Thank you.